In this session, we will discuss density and then solve some problems involving density in the next couple of sessions. Density is defined as the amount of matter, that is mass, contained in a given unit volume of a substance. In other words, density is calculated by dividing mass by the volume of a substance. This is a formula for density that you do need to remember. You will be using it quite often, so please remember it. If density is equal to mass divided by volume, what would be an appropriate unit to express density in? Absolutely. Any unit of density that has a valid unit of mass divided by a valid unit of volume would be a valid unit of density, such as grams per ml. Grams expresses mass, ml expresses volume, and therefore grams per ml expresses density. But it is not limited to grams per ml. It could be grams per ounces. Fluid ounces. It could be grams per or kilograms per liter, or pounds per cc, or pounds per liter, or any valid unit of mass divided by any valid unit of volume will give us a valid unit of density. So here is an example for calculation of density given the mass of a substance being 53.5 pounds and volume of the substance being 3.2 liters. Now once again, if you remember, density is equal to mass divided by volume. In this case, mass and volume are given, and if we divide 53.5 pounds by 3.2 liters, we get density of this substance in units of pounds per liter. However, we are not done yet because both mass and volume are measurements. If you are going to do any calculations involving measurements, we have to account for significant figures in the final answer. In this case, the final answer should be in two significant figures because of 3.2 liters, and therefore the density gets rounded to 17 pounds per liter. Okay, let's try another example for calculating density. In this case, density of lithium given in units of grams per cc. Given that the mass of lithium is 24,000 milligrams and the volume is 0.0450 gallons. As we said before, density is equal to mass divided by volume. In this case, mass is 24,000 milligrams divided by gallons, 0.0450 gallons will give us density. But the unit of density in this case will be milligrams per gallon, not grams per cc. In other words, we need to do some unit conversions. We need to convert milligrams to grams, but we also need to convert gallons, and note the position of the gallons, to cc. Please remember, cc is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube, which is equal to mLs. So gallons needs to be converted to cc or centimeter cube through liters. Gallons crosses out, and then liters can be converted into mLs, and mLs goes into cc. Okay, if we plug in the values, the numbers associated with each of these conversion factors, we know 1 milligram equals 10 raised to minus 3 grams. 1 gallon is 3.785 liters. 1 ml equals 10 raised to minus 3 liters, and 1 ml equals 1 cc. If you perform the calculation given, the calculator answer would come out to be 0.140907089 grams per cc. Notice the only units left are grams per cc. How many significant figures does this answer need to be in? Yes, it needs to be in two significant figures because of 24,000, and therefore this rounds off to 0.14 grams per cc in two significant figures.